Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a new product and it's a portable blender. It's for your protein shakes or your smoothies on the go fresh. It's by Hotsch. So basically it's a 400 milliliter bottle. The blades are stainless steel and you have a 5-volt charging time is about 3 to 5 hours. Single working time 30 seconds. Okay, so it looks pretty nice. So let's get it open and then I will crush up some ice with water to show you how exactly strong it is. So okay, let's get it open. Okay, so inside I usually love looking through the manual or the quick guides or whatever thing comes in, because it tell you basically everything: power switch, power lamp, base, the blades, the body, and it tell you exactly how to do it. They say you should shake it, so it tells you everything, 30 seconds, and then you serve. So then you also have another little quick guide right here, basically saying the same thing of the other one. And you get a nice little cleaning brush so you can get deep into the cup. Pretty cool that you do get a stainless steel straw, so eco-friendly. Now you get a USB-C charge cable. And final but not least, it is your blender. The blender is very nice. Very nice. You have your power button right here. You have your charging port on the bottom. This cup screws off. I wish it came with another top so you can take it on the go and you have no issue. These are your blades. Okay, so then once you get it like this, you also get a 24-month active warranty. So make sure you scan the QR code and you're good to go. Once you get it open, you'll put your fruits, your protein shake, or whatever you want to mix. So for now, I do have a cup with ice and water. Okay, just wanted to do ice and water just to see if it does crush it, and it's good to go. Okay, so make sure you lock it in. So now if you just press it once, it does not do it. You have to hold it down, and the blade starts. I gotta charge. Okay, so once you have your ice or your fruits, hold down the button for 2 seconds. And there you go. Shake it a little bit. Okay, you can see it made it all slushy. So that works very good. And it's not too loud. Look at that. Slushy. So that worked very nice, and it was not loud at all. Awesome. Just make sure when you get your blender, charge it, and then you're good to go. Perfect blender on the go. Love it.